Exercise 2.2, fourth question. Say what time it will be. The question is 8 hours before noon. One day having 24 hours. The noon is 12. 8 hours before noon. Here the noon is 12. Before, that's a past. So you can subtract with 8 hours. 12 minus 8 is 4. The time is 4 a.m. because noon is 12 p.m. Before means 4 a.m. This is the answer. Homework sum. Fourth question. Say what time it will be. 2 hours before midnight. Second question. 4 hours before 7 a.m. Third question, 6 hours before 1 p.m. Next, fifth question, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are also homework sums. Next, 2.3, properties of multiplications. First property is closure property. If A and B are any two whole numbers, A into B is also a whole number. Example, A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3. Solution. First write down the property. The closure property is A into B. Substitute the A and B values. 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. 2 and 3 are also whole number. 6 is also a whole number. Next, second property, commutative property. If A and B are two whole numbers, then A into B is equal to B into A. Example, A is equal to 4, B is equal to 5. Solution. First write down the commutative property. The property is A into B is equal to B into A. This is LHS is equal to RHS. First write down the LHS. LHS means left hand side. RHS means right hand side. LHS A into B. Substitute the values of A and B. A value is 4. B value is 5. 4 5s are 20. Next move to the RHS. B into A. Substitute the values. 5 into 4. 5 4s are 20. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Next, third property, associative property. If A, B, C are three whole numbers, A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. Example, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3. Solution. First write the property A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. This is LHS is equal to RHS. First write the LHS. A into B into C. Substitute the A, B and C values. 1 into 2 into 3. First perform the bracket values. 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 3. Next 2 3s are 6. Move to RHS. A into B into C. 1 into 2 into 3. First do the bracket values. 1 into 2 into 3, 6. Next 1 into 6 is 6. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Next, the fourth property, multiplicative identity. If A is any whole number, A into 1 is equal to 1 into A is equal to A. Example, A is equal to 6. Solution. The formula is A into 1 is equal to 1 into A is equal to A. Here, substitute the A value. A value is 6. 6 into 1 is equal to 6. 1 into 6 is equal to 6. So therefore A into 1 is equal to 1 into A is equal to A. 6 into 1 is equal to 1 into 6 is equal to 6. The fifth property is multiplication property of 0. If A is any whole number, A into 0 is equal to 0. This is called 0 property. The next one is distributive property of multiplication over addition. If A, B, C are whole numbers, the property is A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. For example, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3. Solution. First write down the distributive property of multiplication over addition formula. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. This is LHS is equal to RHS. First take the LHS. LHS. Here LHS is A into B plus C. Substitute the A, B and C values. A value is 1 into open bracket, B value is 2 plus 3. First perform the bracket value because using the BDMAS. 1 into 2 plus 3, 5. Now you can multiply 1 into 5, 5. Now the LHS is 5. Next move to RHS. RHS is A into B plus A into C. Substitute the A values. 1 into B value is 2 plus A value is 1 into C value is 3. Now perform using the BDMAS rules. First you solve the bracket values. 1 into 2, 2 plus 1 into 3, 3. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Now RHS is also 5. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. The next one is distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. If A, B, C are whole numbers, A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. Here B greater than or equal to C. Example, A is equal to 4, B is equal to 6, C is equal to 2. Solution. First write down the formula. A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. This is LHS is equal to RHS. First taking the LHS value. A into B minus C. Substitute the values of A, B and C. 4 into open bracket, B value is 6 minus C value is 2. First perform the bracket value. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 4s are 16. Now LHS is 16. Move to RHS. A into B minus A into C. A value is 4 into 6 minus 4 into 2. 6 4s are 24. First perform the bracket values. 6 4s are 24. Subtraction. 4 2s are 8. 24 minus 8 is answer is 16. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS.